Hey, what's up, guys? Daniel here. This is gonna be a quick update on my GT Avalanche. I have some upgrades that I want to talk about. Now, the first thing that you're going to notice is the wheels. I got this pair of wheels already with the tires installed for like $100 on the marketplace. These are the Mavic Cross Ride disc, which I've taken them for a spin already. They're pretty good. I think they can go tubeless, which they are not right now, but maybe in the future I'm going to do that. Now the wheels, as you can see, are the Hutchinson's Spider. I don't think these are tubeless ready, but they might work, I don't know. And they're come in, let me see, 26 by 2.3. Yeah, so they're pretty nice. They have a lot of grip, especially on loose terrain. Now I have some shifters already shipped to me. I haven't got them yet, but I'm waiting for these things. I think that's the only thing that I'm waiting right now. I installed this handlebar from Amazon and this stand because I have them. Look at that, they're the same brand. I have them around in the bean basket, so I changed the saddle for this one. It's kind of comfortable. Other than that, I haven't done anything to it. So what I'm planning to do right now is take everything apart. Just one thing before. The cassette, I need a new cassette, maybe a new transmission altogether, but for right now I'm using the old 7-speed cassette. I had to take the wheels to the bike shop because this is a really small cassette, so I needed spacers. So I took it to the local bike shop. So everything works right now. I don't know if the transmission works because since these things are really fucked up, I need the new ones they're coming on the mail. I haven't tried the derailleurs, so I don't know if they work. I think they're fine, but I haven't tested them, so they're fixed right now. So that's the thing on the wheels. So the thing that I'm going to do is take it all apart, clean it, and because it was stored maybe on the outside, it has a lot of sunburn. Maybe you cannot see it on the camera, but the paint is fine. Maybe you can see it here, the transition between the lacquer and the paint. So I'm gonna gently work these areas and try to get a little bit of coating over here and here, and get it all ready, and use some polish to try to get a little bit of all the polish back as much as I can, obviously. So it's pretty messy, but I don't mind that much. All this patina. So yeah, that's on the bike. I'm gonna take it apart and clean it and try to restore the paint job a little bit, as much as I can. It's not that bad, but maybe can get it a little bit more shiny. Okay, on the parts. So I have some race face. So after the paint job is done, I'm gonna be doing some part swap and some upgrades, I believe, and I'm gonna tell you what happened with the bike. Now this is generic chain, and this is like a Chinese cheap one. I'm gonna be using this because I had it stored, so I'm gonna be using this thing in the meantime. I have a new set of Shimano brake cable set. This is for the brakes, obviously, because I'm gonna be changing the brakes, as I told you before. Now here we have the micro shifters. These are 3x7 shifters, so these are really cheap. And I wanted something reliable, but not too expensive. I don't want to go crazy with this build. Before we go into that, I'm going to show you this. These are the race face. How is it called? Get a grip. I got this for cheap. I don't know if these were on sale. I don't remember if these were like $10 or maybe free with the purchase of the pedals. So here we have the Chester pedals from Race Face. So these are pretty good, and in red because I'm gonna be doing some red accents to my bike. And I have a new bottom bracket because it was using one of those old bottom brackets. So this is a seal square taper bottom bracket. This is coming in, let's see, 122 millimeters, so it's gonna be long. Now I'm gonna tell you something about these things, but first, here we have, what is this? This is the brake set. So this is one of those cheap Chinese mechanical disc brakes in red also. So I'm gonna be installing this. I already installed the discs into the wheels, so I'm gonna be installing this after that. And here are the brake levers, so I'm gonna be installing these. Now these are supposed to work only with B brakes, so you will need these for these brakes. But I mean, I was doing some research, and these are supposed to work with those calipers, or with those with those calipers, because both of these sets are supposed to be long pulls. So I'm not sure about that, so we're gonna see. Hopefully this works and we have no issues with that. Now I already streamed my bike because I was doing the prepping for the paint job. I mean, it's not gonna be a paint job, it's gonna be like a repair because it had a lot of sunburns. So I just wanna go apply some coating and then polish the frame a little bit, try to get it shiny again. The thing is that my crankset was cross threaded, so I couldn't take it out that easily, so I actually had to destroy it. So because I needed a new crankset, I went and ordered just this what's this thing called, whatever it's called, so this is a 38 tooth. Yeah, it's a 38 in red. It's also a Chinese copy, and it's narrow wide. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm gonna be installing this thing, and I have a new crankset. It's also a Chinese thing. This is coming in 104, I believe. It's also a Chinese thing, and for square taper, because I already had the bottom bracket. Now my problem is that I'm gonna go with a one by setup. I was going to install the original 3 by system, but since it's got destroyed, I'm gonna be doing a 1 by. And I don't know how this thing is going to work because my bottom bracket is too long. It's for a 3 by. So I'm gonna be installing this bottom bracket, and my guess is that it's gonna be a little bit, too far away from the bike. I don't know if this is going to work. Hopefully it does, because I don't want to change the bottom bracket as well. I mean, I could go for a newer one, because this is still square taper, but I'm gonna be using a square taper crankset. So anyway, so I'm gonna be installing all of this into my bike, and I'm gonna try to upload all the process, installing all this stuff, and you could see me struggling installing, especially the brake set. I'm guessing the brake set is gonna give me some headaches, but I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching. So here we have the entire build, guys. Here we have the frame. I'm going to reuse as much components as possible. I'm gonna use the crappy Amazon handlebars that I already had. These are the race face grips, the race face pedals, the crappy Chinese cranks. Hopefully they work well. The Shimano square taper bottom bracket. Over here I have the brakes, the new brakes, and the calipers, and these are the shifters. I have the old ones over here, and the old brakes, obviously the tires and the wheels. I have the disc brakes already set up here, and took off the we call it the fork. And over here I have the headset. I've been cleaning it. These bearings, I think they still work. This bike was not really abused or anything. It was just old. Had really old grease. Have a piece here. And this headset is supposed to be something Cane Creek, whatever, but it's really old, plasticky, but it still works, so I'm gonna reuse it. Maybe with time I'm gonna change to something more modern. So for now that's it, and let's build this thing.